In this lecture, we will download and install PyCharm. This is the code editor we will use for the Python portions of this course. The PyCharm code editor has a community edition that is free and open source. It also runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. PyCharm was created by JetBrains, the company that also created IntelliJ IDEA and RubyMine. So if you have used any of these JetBrains code editors, PyCharm may look familiar to you once we start using it. To download and install PyCharm, we will open our web browser and go to the following link: https://www.jetbrains.com/pycharm/download. The community edition of PyCharm is free and provides support for Python. The other version of PyCharm shown here on the left is the professional version, which also supports HTML, JavaScript, and SQL. However, we will be using the free community version in this course. We should automatically be taken to the proper tab out of Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux. If that is not the case, please click the tab for the OS you are running on your machine. We will click the download button under the community section. Once we click the download button, the download should start in our browser. We will click the file to open it as soon as it is finished downloading. On the security prompt that comes up, we will click Run. The PyCharm Community Edition setup window will pop up, which will guide us through the rest of the installation process. Let's click the Next button. We will be asked to choose an installation location. I am okay with the default location, so I will click Next. Next up are some installation options, which are all unselected by default. The option you may be interested in is a desktop shortcut to open the program. If that is the case, you can click this checkbox. If not, we can just click Next. Finally, we are asked to choose a Start menu folder. I am fine with the JetBrains folder selected by default, so I will click the Install button. I'll speed up the video while the program installs onto my computer. Once the installation finishes, we can click the Finish button. In the next lecture, we will look at an introduction to PyCharm.